Hello, today I will try to explain the printer settings that should be used to print Tanex labels. First, we put our label on the paper tray and then adjust the piece on the edge. The piece should not be too tight or too loose. If it's too tight, the label may jam, and if it's too loose, the printer may feed the label at an angle. Follow the printer manufacturer's recommendation for using the paper trays. Make sure that the tray settings are not too tight or too loose in the same way. However, we recommend using the bypass or manual feed tray, which always has a flat pass for trouble-free printing. Now let's take a look at some printer driver settings. Let's start with this inkjet printer. Here you can see that the paper size is totally wrong. We need to select it as A4. Selecting the wrong paper size will result in a wrong output. The paper source in an inkjet printer is typically just one, so there is not another choice we can make here. On the main page we have media type. So if we have here label, thick paper or 140 grams, we should select it. If not, we can leave it as it is, and on inkjet printers this is not a big problem. On page setup, we have here the normal size, which is okay, but here you can also select fit to page, which is something that we do not want. We do not want to select fit, enlarge or reduce, things like that. We want to leave it at normal size, 100%, etc. For example, here it says reduce large documents, etc. We do not want to reduce anything, so we do not want to click here. Okay, let's look at another one. This is a laser printer. Here are some shortcuts here. We have paper size as A4, which is correct. Paper source. We have trays here and manual feed. Like I said before, we prefer to use the manual feed. Paper type. Here it's already selected, because I selected it before, as extra heavy, or we have labels here, which is actually the correct setting. In a laser printer, this setting is more important because such settings as fusing unit settings are prepared according to this setting, which is important for correct function and also for not doing any harm to the machine. In paper quality, this looks okay. Effects. Now here we have again the enlargement or reducing settings, scaling options. We do not want to scale or reduce or enlarge anything. We want it to be actual size. If this is set to scaling, something like this, scale to fit, reset it to actual size or 100%. Also, make the first print on a blank A4 paper, not on the label. By holding your test print with your label on a window or light, you can see if it's sitting properly. After you are satisfied with the result, print it on the Tanex label. Labels should only be used once. Do not use the label that you have printed once on your printer again. Thank you for watching.